Hello， 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today's recipe is red bean paste. You can eat it the way it is, or use it in other recipes. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients. I soaked the red bean overnight. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by draining the red bean. Then we put it in the pressure cooker. And then add the water. Then put the lid on and cook it for 30 minutes. Then come back to check it after 1 hour. After 1 hour, release the pressure valve. Then remove the lid and check on the bean. The bean should be soft and mushy. Now we strain the beans. Make sure to keep a little moisture while straining. Now add the bean to a food processor. The next step is to grind the beans into a paste. Next is to cook the moisture out of the bean paste. Heat up a non-stick pan on low heat. Then add corn oil. Put half in. Then add the bean paste. And mix together. Make sure the oil is completely mixed in. Then add the sugar. Mix the sugar in until it's dissolved. Then add the rest of the oil in. Keep cooking until the water dries from the red beans. Now remove from the heat and it's done.
Wow, looks good! Time for this test! It's very smooth and not too sweet. You can use for a light dessert. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。